Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never.
What's going on, guys? Crypto Chris back with another cryptocurrency breakdown video, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the further downside we can be having in XRP before an absolute moonshot to yearly highs. I'm also going to be covering Binance Coin, Basic Attention Token, BTC. We've had some interesting action happen in BTC today, but before I jump in this video, guys, I just want to play you this brief clip from my latest video. We get rejected, I believe we can have another retest of 786, and even further down we can see price drop all the way back down to 23 cents, guys. But like I said, if you're long-term holders, so as you can see, guys, on my previous video, I covered this downside move that we just had in XRP. So we was finding support on the 618 fib retracement. I said, look, guys, if price does break below, we're gonna have a retest of the 786, and look what happened. We overshot this target here, and we're now retracing above this. So I'm just going to be covering what are my next potential downside targets, my long-term views going into the end of the year and 2020 for XRP. Also, before I jump in this video, if you haven't already, go and give me a follow on my free Telegram, guys. I give all my up-to-date trades and analysis on my Telegram, and more recently, look at this with Binance Coin. I was calling for a retracement to the 382 fib, and as you can see, bang, once again, accuracy on these Telegram calls. And also, I just done a quick recap of my profits in the past 30 days, guys. My trades have returned over 200% profit without using margin, guys. So once again, go and give me a follow on my free Telegram. And I just want to mention just something else, guys. I'm currently doing one-to-one lessons for technical analysis. If you're interested, guys, drop me an email as well for inquiries for one-to-one technical analysis. I basically do a customized, tailored technical analysis lesson of anything you guys want to cover. Anyway, enough with me yapping on about this. Let's jump into the charts. And for Telegram and the email link is in the description. So first of all, I want to jump into XRP. And as you can see, guys, this fib retracement came perfectly. I drew this from the candle to candle here, guys, and it worked out time and time again. We found top resistance. We had this triple top here, guys, as you can see, before price absolutely melting down. So we first of all retraced to the 618, went down, tried to climb above, got rejected, and we started melting under. I mean, if you can see also in the momentum indicator, you could see we dropped below the support line, guys, and that showed you price was looking bearish. So that was my other confirmation that I could see happening. Also on the MACD as well, momentum shift towards the downside. We had the bearish crossover of the moving average indicators of the convergence. It's like the blue line's like converging away from the red line, and that also confirmed for more downside to me, guys. So at the moment we touched the 786 fib, and we're now finding support currently above. However, we're gonna look at BTC, because I believe in the next day or so where BTC decides to go, it will kind of dictate the rest of the market at the moment, guys, of where we're going to see. So I'm going to give the scenario if we do see BTC break further down, where we can see our price targets, or if we break to the upside, what our targets would be. So like I said, if we do break further down with BTC, and we do see XRP go to the further downside, of course my first target would be a retest of where we've had this confluence of wicks here, back down at roughly about 23.3 cents. We also have this other interesting region where price previously wick to here was roughly about 21 cent. So that will be my next support if we do have a break under this area of support here. But furthermore, if we do get that absolute capitulation in price with BTC and we do retest the most recent bottom of 7,400, I just want to draw a quick another fib extension. So this one I'm gonna draw actually from this top here, the most recent to the most recent low. So I'm going to get the fib retracement. I'm going to draw this from wick to wick and see what kind of targets we actually get in here. So as you can see here, this is giving us the absolute bottom of roughly about 13 cents. This aligns perfectly with this absolute bottom that we saw price before we absolutely rocketed to the upside. And trust me, it's not impossible for this to happen, but best believe there will be a hell of a lot of buy orders set in this region. I mean, look at this sideways price action that we had previously. We consolidated. Also, we have this nice trend line break. So we consolidated sideways, and then as soon as we broke out, we rocketed absolutely thousands of percent to the upside to roughly about $3.30. But for me to see any further upside, guys, we need to break above that 618 fib that I highlighted before. Also, we have this downsloping trend line that would also want to see broken on the daily time frame. So we have this downsloping trend line where we're going to find resistance again, time and time again. So I would need to see a break of this region to start seeing a retest of the 382, 618, and the 786 to see any further upside. But at the moment, I'm also going to cover BTC because I believe BTC will dictate where the market is going. So let me jump into the BTC chart. So at the moment, like I've been covering over the past few weeks, we had this falling wedge. I mean, if you don't know, falling wedge is a bullish formation, but no pattern is valid without any further confirmation. As you can see, we have this break, this candle break under, and on this 4 hour, we've literally got 7 minutes left. I believe if we do have this break under, we have the candle closure below this line of support that we had. I believe we can see easily a price retesting this previous line of support. As you can see, this was support many times. So my first target would be roughly about $7,800 to kind of find support, and then possibly retest to the high. However, if we do break under this region, and then for sure we'll be retesting this cluster of candles that we had back at 7,500, where many believe this will be the final retest, and this will coincide with a nice double bottom in price before absolutely surging to the upside. But like I said, if we do fall within this region here, guys, I believe this will coincide with XRP falling lower and definitely retesting this lower of 21 cents. Also, we have the MACD indicator on the 4 hour crossed over bearish, and also the momentum indicator, we have now fallen below the support line, so also momentum is looking bearish. So I'm expecting further downside unless we get an absolutely bark candle all the way up. Also, I've been covering basic attention token. Just want to show you what's happened over the past few weeks. So we've been absolutely finding support time and time again, and now price has, if I get this trend line here, sorry, let's get this trend line here. So price has been following this nice trend line on the way up, and we're now retesting. If I zoom out on the daily, we have now come to this area of resistance where it was previous support, term resistance, and again term resistance. price now has retraced to the 38.2, which I like to see precisely. So it's looking like we could have a possible leg up. But again, I think this will all depend on the direction of BTC at the moment if it decides to see further downside. So again, basic attention token, looking for possible retracement 382. Even further down, we could even retrace back down to the 24-cent region, which will be coincide with the 618 fib before seeing another attempt to break to the upside. So this is one I'm covering on a day-to-day basis. I'll keep you all up to date on my free Telegram. And also with Binance Coin, this is one I covered on my Telegram. Again, the link to my Telegram is in the description, guys. Go and give me a follow. You stay up to date with all my live trades and analysis. Also, I just want to show you that we've had this nice retracement here, nice bounce of the trend, a nice bounce of the 382. So possibly, as long as this support region, we can have another retest of this high here, guys, of this most recent high. If we do retest this here, I believe we can see some further upside and retest the 618 would realign with previous support, now turn resistance. So once again, let me know what you guys think. Do you think we're going to see further downside for XRP, or was this the final floor that we found? And also let me know what you think about BTC. How are we going to retest this 7,400 or 7,800? Is that about to happen very, very soon? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on my free Telegram, guys. You won't regret it. We've made some killer trades over the past few weeks. So once again, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.